everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Artie here saying hi to you from the beautiful islands of Gran Canaria. Today is my final day here in Gran Canaria and I can't believe how time has flown by. This video is about my final day here in Gran Canaria and traveling back home. This is 7:30 in the morning. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to leave all this and go back to my reality. So now I'm just getting ready to go for a morning walk by the beach just before breakfast. We'll have breakfast and see how the day will go. This is how it is in the morning. I cannot believe I'm leaving all this. Oh dear. Pool area. Oh, beautiful. That's infinity pool. It's gorgeous. I could get used to this. Joke. Your girl is sweating, it's not even a joke. Look at her. Last breakfast before just doing some final packing. That is our bag. This is my bag. And that's for Ashley. All done. Our passports ready. Going to miss this place. This was wonderful. We're leaving the mini bar full of drinks. Full of drinks. That's for free. But we're leaving it, huh? We've managed to check out, but our flight is not until 7 o'clock this evening. But this hotel is so good. They've let us hang around here until any time we want. As long as we have the armband, we can have lunch, whenever we want until we want to go. So for that, I like this hotel. whatever that, but you still have to go through duty free. Let's see. Dubai chocolate. Do you have 15? Huh? You wanna? Did you see him?